Let's make these cute animals coasters today. We will need printed pattern, prepared hoop with fabric, punch needle, needle threader, scissors, tape, yarn, glue gun, felt. This cat coaster I made before. I use for it original version of pattern. Today I will make it with reversed version, so you can see difference. Cut out the pattern. Use tape to attach the pattern to the wrong side of the fabric. Redraw the pattern onto the fabric from the front side. Remove the pattern. Insert the needle threader into the eye of the needle and through its entire body. The threader should come out from the back of the needle. Thread the yarn through the loop of the needle threader. Gently pull the end of the needle threader and pull the yarn through the needle. Start embroidering. Insert the needle into the fabric as far as it will go and carefully pull it back out. Do not raise the needle high above the fabric. Make small steps about the thickness of your yarn. The needle should point in the direction of travel. Make sure that the thread does not cling to anything and nothing delays its movements. Make an outline of the selected object first, and then fill it inside. When finished, hold the yarn with your finger and pull out the needle. Cut the yarn. This is what it should look like from the other side. This side will be the front side. Embroider the rest of the objects of this color in the same way. If the objects are located next to each other, then you don't cut the threads immediately, but pull out loops like these, holding them with your finger. Now just cut off all the extra threads. Change the color of the yarn and embroider other objects. I will make a white and gray cat this time. I embroider all the spots on the cat in dark gray. Be very careful when embroidering in narrow spaces, between pieces of different colors. I will start filling the space with white from the most difficult places. We need to embroider around all the small details inside the cat's face. Now just fill all the remaining space. Turn the work over to the front side. If there are long loops, cut them off. Now you need to align the loops. If there are crossed loops, then they need to be untangled. Remove your work from the hoop. Cut along the contour, leaving an edge of approximately 1 centimeter. Make cuts in the fabric around the entire perimeter. Pay special attention to curves. Use a glue gun to fold the fabric inside the work. Be very careful, the glue is very hot. Take a piece of felt. Apply glue to the inside of the cat. Glue to felt. Leave the edges unglued. This makes it easier to cut out the felt. Trim off excess felt. Now glue along the edges of the felt. Try to glue it so that the fabric is not visible. Glue along the entire perimeter. Your super cute cat coaster is ready. Now you can clearly see the difference between using the original and reversed versions of the pattern. You can also make other animals from my pattern. Thank you for watching.